As you may have heard from media stories, there is a lot of work going on in developing a vaccine. That work happens everywhere in the world. Many companies, many governments are working on trying to find a vaccine as soon as possible. And normally it takes several years to develop a vaccine. For COVID, the hope is that it can go much faster, not because they were taking more risks with the safety of the vaccine or so, but because several steps in the vaccine development are happening at the same time. And so rather than wait for step 1 to finish and then start step 2, they're already putting in place step 2 while step 1 is still being done. So that will save time. There are of course risks there, because if it doesn't work, then all these steps are taken for nothing. But given the severity of the disease, overall it's felt that taking these risks are warranted, and fastening or speeding up the development of the vaccine is seen as crucial to get this disease under control and go back to a normal life. Now, of course, as I said, many countries and many companies are working on the development of a vaccine, but not all countries are. And so there is certainly a fear that if in one country a vaccine is discovered or developed, I should say, that works and that works well by one company, that maybe not all countries can have access to this vaccine. And that is, of course, in a normal situation, certainly what might happen, because there will be people or countries who want to buy it and who may have more financial means to do that. What WHO is doing is it's setting up globally a system where they're asking partners, they're asking countries to participate. And participation means that they commit that if there is a vaccine, it will be a vaccine for everybody. And therefore, if there is a vaccine, the vaccine would not go to the highest bidder, or it would not go to the richest country or the biggest country or whatnot, but everybody in the world would have an equal access to that vaccine. That is what this mechanism is trying to do. Countries are still signing up, and it is still in early days, but clearly the whole idea be it that whatever vaccine is going to be developed, it will be everybody's vaccine, and everybody will and should have access to that vaccine.